Hello everyone! Today, we will talk about how to follow a series of directions in completing a chart. Like my transformation from caterpillar to butterfly, this lesson can be a bit tricky. But if you listen carefully, you will see how charts actually make a set of different information easier to understand. Many of us can easily follow directions. The harder part is charting them down and actually doing them, especially if the instructions are many and complex. Once we have charted down a series of directions, it will be easier to follow, because we can now imagine or visualize the steps that we are about to take. Before we talk about the directions that we will list down in our chart, let us first define what a chart is. A chart is a presentation in the form of graphs or tables. Charts help explain a topic, a situation, or a set of instructions or directions. It presents information in a clear, easy to understand, and visual way. A chart can also be an outline or a map on which specific information, such as scientific data, can be plotted. A chart helps us organize our thoughts. Thus, they are also known as graphic organizers. Graphic organizers are pictorial or visual ways of defining and organizing information. They help us convert and compress seemingly different or unrelated information into a structured, simple-to-read graphic display. The resulting visual display conveys complex information in a simple-to-understand manner. Let us now do our first chart. From one particular word, several words can be drawn. One example is the word graph, which was derived from the Greek word graphein, meaning to write. The word graph can be formed into other words that give other meanings. Examples of these other words are autograph, graphology, biography, seismograph, and graphic. To be able to see the origin of the different words, let us write the word graph in the middle of a sheet of paper. Let us then encircle the word. Then, let us write the other words around the word graph and encircle them too. We will then draw lines from the circle of the word graph to each of the other words. Now, we can see the relationship of each word to the word graph. We have now done our first chart. We can also do the same thing for other words or other topics that we want to chart. Let us try to do another chart using our own family as an example. Let us write down our own name down the middle of a piece of paper. Now, let us write down the name of our father above our name. Beside our father's name, let us write down the name of our mother. Above our father's name, let us write down the name of our paternal grandfather. And beside his name, the name of our paternal grandmother. Similarly, we will write above the name of our mother, the name of our maternal grandfather, and beside it, the name of our paternal grandmother. Beside our name, we can also write down the name of our brothers and sisters. Repeating the process for our other relatives, we can form a bigger chart of our family line. Can you guess what kind of chart this is normally called? That's right! This kind of chart is called a family tree. Let us now listen to our teacher to learn more about charts and the other types of charts that we can do. Bye for now!